We are here today in the tropical port of Danang, Vietnam, in our 8th day cruise on board this beautiful Anthem of the Seas. Since it is raining, we decided to stay on board rather than going for shore excursion. By the way, Guy, this port located 2 hours drive outside of the city proper, and this time is rainy season here. Good day everyone, it's Red. Welcome to my video channel. Please click the like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much.
Nanonood kami ng North Star. Sarap ng buhay rito.
Kain, tulog.
Walang iniisip na punta ka pa, magluluto ka pa. Wala kami pakialam kung anong
Hindi malamig ko magkain.
Tapos recorded pala yun.
Yeah.
Record.
Yeah, let's go.
Iba naman hagdan doon sa kabila.
Ito kami nabulaksan kahit maulan. Barko rin tayo isa. Ito Panama. 10 days na birthday celebration din.
Yeah.
10 days. Buti na lang.
Yeah, ngayon ka sumigaw.
That's it guys, please click the like, share and subscribe button to support my video channel. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.